Good morning, and welcome to the Leap Podcast, your concise, level-headed crypto market update with Leap Digital Investments. It's Friday, the 28th of November, 2025, and I'm Patrick Penn. The past 10 days have delivered violent two-way volatility, yet the price structure remains unmistakably constructive. Despite a brutal midweek drawdown that liquidated billions in leverage and pushed the fear and greed index into single digits, Bitcoin has already reclaimed $91,500, and the total crypto market is once again within striking distance of all-time highs. Retail capitulation was extreme. Institutional response has been the exact opposite. Make sure to listen to the summary at the end, but for now, let's leap in. Bitcoin, current price $91,513, up 4.99%. Market cap is at 1.82 trillion. The bounce has been fueled by an accelerating cascade of sovereign and institutional adoption signals. Luxembourg's finance minister publicly confirmed the country will begin purchasing Bitcoin, explicitly stating he expects other nations to follow. Senator Cynthia Lummis reaffirmed that President Trump fully backs her legislation to acquire 1 million BTC for a US strategic reserve. Texas completed the first state-level Bitcoin purchase, 10 million via BlackRock, with the Treasury Secretary now openly exploring budget-neutral pathways for further accumulation. Spot Bitcoin ETFs recorded 128.7 million inflows on the 25th of November and another 21.1 million yesterday, despite the short-term noise. The only notable negative pressure came from 241 million in short liquidations as price surged through to 91,000. These liquidations are mechanically bullish, forced buying that creates upward momentum unrelated to organic demand. Key level to watch, a weekly close above 94,000 would confirm continuation of the macro uptrend and likely trigger the next leg towards 100,000 plus. Ethereum, current price $3,039, up 3.32%. ETH has quietly outperformed on a relative basis, reclaiming $3,000 ahead of the Fusaka upgrade scheduled for the 3rd of December, which will expand blob capacity from 6 to 48. That basically means an 8x increase in data availability. US spot Ethereum ETFs posted 78.6 million in inflows on the 25th of November and 60.8 million yesterday. The one blemish, Vitalik Buterin, founder of Ethereum, sold 1,007 ETH or 2.93 million worth on the 27th of December. Markets shrugged it off as a routine portfolio management rather than a bearish signal. Level to watch, sustained trade above $3,050 opens a path towards 3,500. Solana, current price $141.19, up 4%. Solana continues to dominate tokenized real-world asset trading for stocks such as Tesla, Apple, and Nvidia. They command over 95% of volume for tokenized equities for the past 4 months, driven by fast settlement and near zero fees. The 22-day perfect inflow streak for US spot Solana ETFs is broken finally. On the 26th of November, there was an 8.1 million outflow. It's a minor hiccup after 621 million of cumulative inflows. Overall, institutional conviction remains intact. Key levels: $130 support held firmly. A decisive push above $150 targets the $200 mark quickly. In summary, despite macro cross currents, a split Fed, sticky inflation, and a surprisingly strong delayed September jobs report, crypto markets are in gain-seeking mode. Capital continues to rotate into Bitcoin and high-conviction altcoins rather than flee to cash. We are now seeing the early stages of what may become a state-level and nation-state FOMO wave. Texas has already acted. Luxembourg is buying. Sentiment in crypto markets has shifted rapidly, with extreme fear to cautious optimism. Recent announcements on institutional crypto purchases are shaping the conversation, and many are watching closely to see what comes next. That concludes your market update for the 28th of November 2025. Please see the episode description on Spotify and YouTube for more information. Remain calm and stay informed. Thank you for listening to the Leap Podcast.